Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this face, you are highly welcome. My name is Ifeoma. Please remember to click the subscribe button and also the bell button beside it so that you won't miss out on any of my videos. Okay, to my returning subscribers, thank you all for the love and support. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So guys, on today's video I'll be showing you guys the best hairstyle you can make on your child anytime you want to grow their hairlines. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video.
So first I start by parting a small portion of hair in the middle, of which the parting is in a circular form. After that, I'll go ahead and divide the rest of the hair into 4 equal parts, starting from the front all the way to the back, and also from ear to the other ear side. Yeah, okay guys, I will allow you guys to watch and see what I'll be doing. Okay, this hairstyle I'm about to make is so nice, especially if you want to grow your kids hairline. This is a nice hairstyle to make on your child if you want to allow their edges to grow. Yes, because this hairstyle, every hair, all the hair will fall in the front. We will not be putting much tension in the front. Yes, because we will start from the middle and weave the hair all the way to the front, thereby not putting much tension on the hairline. Yes. So guys, now I'll start by, braiding one of the hair, conrolling one of the hair, I mean to say. That's how I will keep on doing until I finish conrolling all the hair. Yes. So guys, I will leave you guys to keep on watching so you will see what I will end up making. Okay. So guys, I'm done cornrolling the hair. The next thing is to beautify it, and to beautify it I'll be using rubber. Yeah, you can use beads if you wish to, but I prefer using rubbers because I feel like beads will disturb her while she's sleeping. That's why I prefer to use rubber, but feel free to use beads if you want to. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and start adding the rubbers, and after that I will pack the hair. Keep on watching so you will see how I will be doing the packing. And this is how it goes. From the front I will take the first two and hold it with the rubber band, then I will go ahead and join it to the third one and hold it with rubber band again. I will continue to do so until I get to the back. Okay, so watch carefully. Okay, so you will see as I do that. All right. So guys, this is the outcome. We are done making the hair, and look at, it's so beautiful. As you can see, the front line is not that, there's no much tension on the front line. That's why I say that this hairstyle is good to make on your child if you want to grow their hairline. Yes, So guys, this is it. Please, if you've watched to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye bye.